How do I create a Gmail account? 1. Go to the Google account sign-in page. 2. Click Create Account. 3. Enter your name. 4. In the username field, enter a username. 5. Enter and confirm your password. Tip: when you enter your password on mobile, the first letter isn't case sensitive. Click Next. Optional: add and verify a phone number for your account. Click Next. And you will now see a practical way to create a real Gmail account.